Hello, 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 hello. Tony K, Mr. Fix-It here. How are you? Today we're going to learn a little bit about faucets. Why did we lose pressure? My favorite cereal, by the way. Why did we lose pressure? This is your Gooseneck style faucet. Pull-out handle, 2-setting spray, and full stream. Used to have a lot more pressure here. A lot more water. And what happens when you lose pressure, it also makes it difficult to even switch between the two settings. You have to press harder. It just makes it a little more complicated. But why in the world did I lose pressure? Well, what we want to do first is check what's called the aerator. This is typically what's going to clog on you. It's going to be all this right here. From here to here. Any soot that might come out of the hot water tank, through the piping as it's traveling through the lines, it's going to get caught up in here. Same thing happens with your shower heads. You lose pressure at your shower heads and you got to take them apart and see what's going on. So what we have here is the aerator inside. You can see it has these little nuts in here. Not nuts, these little tabs. Now they give you a tool when you install this so that you can unscrew this part. But of course, most typically people misplace it, throw it away, don't realize what it's for. But I'm going to go ahead and just use a pair of needle nose. And we're just going to simply put it in between the teeth here and here and work it out. I'm going to have to get a little closer to this. There we go. And spin it out. You're going to go counterclockwise to remove this part. At some point, you'll just be able to grab it with your hand. In fact, at this point, I can just go like this. Okay. So now when you pull the aerator out, you're going to have a screen in there. I'll get to it at some point. There we go. Okay, we can check inside of here and see if that's all clean. Looks pretty good. So now what we have here is your aerator. And those are the little holes, and there's your little screen. Now this screen gets clogged. Now this actually looks pretty darn good. It doesn't look bad at all. You can just take that little bit of soot off the top. And then if we want, we can pop this little screen out by I just give it a little squeeze and it pops out. And inside of here also is where you'll get a lot of soot and build up. But this looks pretty clean. You can see through the holes there. You can actually see through. You know, there's one or two that are clogged, but certainly not enough to do what the problem that we have here. What you can do is turn the water on at this point. See how it's nothing still? So this is telling me that this is further up. Something's up. I'm still not getting a full good stream here. Something else is going on. So this is good. We'll put the screen back in. Click. Now we're going to move to this part here. The connection at the gooseneck. It's going to screw in. There's going to be threads here. Okay, you're going to just unscrew it. Again, counterclockwise. And let's just remove the head totally. Take a peek. Boom. That comes right out. Looks good in there. Oh boy. Ha ha ha. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. We're going to give it a shot. Inside of here. See all that? There you go. Come on, zoom in, baby. Come on, you $700 piece of crap phone. You can see it right there. See it? La la la. So we have to take that out. That has to come out. So I'm gonna just like first we'll just give it a little tap and see if it'll all pop out for you. But it's not. So now we gotta get creative in cleaning that part out. Let's see if I can't fandangle it by using, yeah, look at the stream just coming out of here now. There's your pressure. Now I'm gonna squirt it right in there. Try to flush it out. Okay, not really having any luck with that. I'm gonna try a little brush. Loosen it all up because it seems like it's all really stuck in there. Now it's starting to come out. I got it. I got some of it's coming out. It's loosened up enough now. Maybe we can. Much better. Much better. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. So the soot's all in my sink. I can see the soot. It's all in my sink. And we did a decent job of clearing this out. There's still a couple little holes in there. What I'm going to do now is grab a toothpick or something. I'm going to try to take that out. And I can grab a toothpick right over here. And now let's play around with this a little. There we go. Perfect. 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 Okay. So, got a couple pieces that come right out. Look at that. All right. Yep, they popped out for me. All right. So we're back to good and clear. We know this is clean and clear. Let's reconnect. All you're going to do is push this in and then tighten that handle right back up nice and easy. And a nice little click, kind of like your gas cap. When you put it on, it clicks. Then you're going to put your aerator back in. And this is righty-tighty. My hands are wet. I can't even grab it. Tighten it back up, just snug it up. You don't want to crank it, no need to do that. This is a lot harder than it looks. Try to get this into the teeth. Snug it right in. Now, the test. Here we go. Much better. Bam. That, my friend, is how you save yourself from a service call, calling a plumber. Why is my faucet not working? Well, you need a new faucet. The upsell. So always check your aerators with your sinks, kitchen sink, bathroom sink, your shower. They're most likely filled with soot and causing problems. A lot of times the soot will come if someone shuts the water down to your house or to the building. If you're in a condominium, if the water's shut down and then they put it back on and that water pressure comes back through, it's definitely grabbing sediment, pulling it through the line. It's going to clog your lines. So always be aware of that. If your water ever has to be shut off and you lose pressure, that's what happens. You have soot in your lines. Okay, everybody, hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm getting better and better at this, I hope. Thank you all very much for your support.